Can't attend. People's attention, we can't put people on these 8-hour day experiences because nobody has that capacity anymore. And
Yeah.
like a 45-minute lunch, guess what I saw happen? Nobody left the lunchroom. They were flashing the lights and people were like, flash all you want. We're not going back in there. I want to talk.
What do you see happening?
I think there'll be a rise in what I will call regional smaller meetings. People not wanting to go into spaces with 7, 10,000 people, but and also the hassles with travel. And so, how can we come up with regional and smaller opportunities where people don't have to travel far? And also the opportunity for exhibitors and sponsors to really be able to penetrate a market and a region, I think is going to be on the rise. More omni-channel kind of stuff, and less focus on trying to get 12,000 people to show up in one convention center.
Define for me the word omni-channel.
Uh, Experiencing something at the same time in different locations.